Dear students, welcome you to session 32, chapter Absorption of Overheads, Cost and Management Accounting, 4th semester BCom of Mangalore University. In this session, let us understand the concept of machine hour rate. Machine hour rate means the amount of factory overheads to be charged to the product or job if the machine is used for 1 hour in its production. It's actually the cost of running a machine per hour. So in order to find out the machine hour rate, we use the machine hour rate statement. So in the machine hour rate statement, a distinction is made between the fixed overheads and variable overheads. So we have these fixed charges as well as variable charges. Fixed charges or standing charges are those expenses which remain fixed or constant irrespective of the use or running hours of the machine. So it is known as period cost. So the various fixed charges are rent, lighting, insurance, supervision charges, oil and consumable stores. So these fixed charge items are calculated individually for a given period. Then the total fixed charges are divided by the total number of working hours during that period to calculate hourly rate of fixed charges. So each item of fixed charges is calculated individually. Now for example rent or supervision or lighting etc. And then the total of these fixed charges are found out, and then the total of these fixed charges are divided by the normal working hours in order to find out the fixed charges per hour. Then we have the variable charges. Variable charges vary or change according to the number of hours the machine has worked or the volume of output. It is known as the product cost. The various examples of variable charges are the power, fuel, repairs and depreciation. The individual item of variable charges is shown as per 1 hour. Now, in order to calculate the machine hour rate, the working hours has to be calculated. That is, the normal working hours are to be calculated for each machine. The time required for maintenance or setting up of the machine is to be deducted. That is the unproductive setup time as well as the time required for maintenance of the repairs of the machine has to be deducted in order to find out the productive machine hours. Now we will see how the fixed or standing charges are apportioned. Now for example rent and rates, the basis is floor area. In case of lighting, the basis is light points or area. In case of supervision, the time spent by the supervisor. Insurance, it is the capital value of the asset. Oil, consumable stores, it is based on the machine hours. Now when it comes to the variable charges, we have three important variable charges, that is power. It is based on the horsepower or the machine hours. Repairs is based on the working life per hours or the capital value. Now if you have the information about the repairs required for the entire lifetime and the number of hours the machine will work, so repairs can be calculated as the cost of repairs divided by life in terms of hours. So per hour repair charges can be found out. So in this case we are finding out the per hour repair charges. So cost of repairs divided by life in terms of hours. Depreciation is based on capital value. So we can calculate the depreciation by cost of machine plus the installation charges minus the scrap value divided by working life in hours. When you do this, we get the depreciation per hour. We are not finding out the depreciation per annum or per month. We are finding out the depreciation per hour. These are variable charges. So variable charges per hour has to be found out. So power, repairs and depreciation. So depreciation will be found out as the cost of machine plus installation charges minus the scrap value divided by the working life in hours. So we will be working out problems on machine hour rate in the coming sessions. Thank you.